Selected Chinese food. Today, I teach my friends how to cook fried beef with onions. 200 grams of beef. First find the lines of the meat. Stand the lines of the meat. You don't have to cut it too thin. The sliced meat should be like this. Inside, small pieces of meat are stuck together. It will not work, and it will not be tender. Prepare a little ginger to smash. Add a little water after smashing, and squeeze out the ginger juice vigorously. Today, we do not need to add onions. The original juice is more suitable for beef. Can better add water and flavor to beef. Add a little salt to the beef. With ginger juice, scratch the beef with clean hands. If our beef can't get sticky, no matter how we scratch it, then we can add 3 grams of baking soda to 200 grams of beef, so that the beef is easy to grasp the stickiness. After the beef is sticky, we use cornstarch to size it. When you fry it, it won't come out of the water. Finally, pour a little cooking oil on the cover. The mutton is more tender. Cut the onion in half. Remove the heart of the onion and cut it into slices. The size of the onion slices cut in this way is uniform. And then the onion heart is cut into slices separately. When it's done, scatter it by hand. Cut the green and red peppers into small pieces. Cut the garlic and ginger into slices. Heat the part. Pour the oil until it smokes, and then turn it to medium heat. Put the beef into the pot at high oil temperature. Beef can quickly fertilize the surface, so the juice is not easy to lose, and it is more convenient to operate with chopsticks here. Moreover, the beef will not stick to the chopsticks, and the beef will be fried until it changes color. The process of frying beef here is not edited. Stir-fry the beef until it changes color, remove and set aside. The excess oil was poured back into the pan, and you could see that the oil in the fried beef was very clear. And turbid, use this oil to stir-fry vegetables will be more fragrant. First stir-fry ginger and garlic slices over a small fire. Then turn on the fire. Add onions, green and red peppers. Fry the onions until they wilt slightly, then season them. When seasoning, remember to turn down the heat. And add salt and sugar. If you don't like chicken essence, don't put. A little light soy sauce. Keep turning up the heat. Stir the seasoning well. After the beef is returned to the pot, it must be in the end. You can see how long it takes to fry beef at home. Make a reference shower. Add a little cooking wine to make it fragrant. Stir-fry a few more times over high heat. Pour sesame oil or cooking oil before the part, and stir-fry twice again, or right, out of the part. A very delicious fried beef with onions is ready. The beef fried in this way is very tender, but it is not the kind of taste that is not chewy at all. The original flavor of the beef is especially delicious. If you like it, you can have a try. Thank you for your support. See you next time.